Hi, my name is Navin. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my B.Tech in Electrical and Electronic Engineering from Arjun College of Technology and Science. After completion of my graduation, I have joined in Evision Technos of Private Limited. This is an internship course which gives us a real-time experience, and the training module in Evision is too good. From this internship course, I have learned about the concepts of network basics, virtualization, cloud computing, Windows administration, routing and switching, Linux administration, theoretically and practically. In the Windows administration, I have learned about the how to create administrative and user accounts, and give how to give permissions to them. And also, I have learned about the concept of workgroup infrastructure, ADDS services, domain joining in client PC, remote management, disk management, device management, and also the different types of troubleshooting means blue screen update, black screen, system hanging, hardware troubleshooting, and Outlook troubleshooting. In the concept of Outlook, I have learned how to create PST and OST files, and which type of protocols are used in Outlook means different types of protocols like IMAP, POP3, and SMTP. These are the protocols which are used in Outlook. And also, I have learned about the concept of BitLock or enable. Next, local user management, defending firewall and proxy settings, and also how to install and configure the DHCP and WDS server, and also the concept of ITIL. In CCNA, I have learned about the basics of networking and IP addressing, and concept of subnetting mask, and also subnet mask. And also, I have learned about the types of routing means static routing, dynamic routing, such as RIP, IGRIP, OSPF. These are the routings which I have learned, and how to take remote access by using the cables like console, telnet, and SSH, and also the concept of access control list and its types, network addressing, translation, and its types. I have learned in routing, and in switching concept, I have learned about the virtual LAN and inter virtual LAN routings, wireless concept, and IP version 6 configuration. I have learned from this internship. And also, there is at the end of the week there is a mock interview which gives us more confidence to attend the interview. And I am very confident that to face any interview, and I will crack it from first attempt. I will give my best to the 100% to the company, because I am a very hard worker and very enthusiastic to show my knowledge and skills for the development of the company. So thank you.